We have 3 square little books of Christmas, Snow Adorable, Christmas Greetings, and Winter Wishes. Now, each of these are 4 3/4 inches squares, and each of them are thick. They have 150 sheets for each of them. So let me just go into Winter Wishes and show you each of them. Now, you're going to get 25 designs, and you're going to get 6 of every single sheet. So if you want to use them on the front of your card, on the inside of your card, use them for tags, cut areas out and build them up with foam tape, you've got plenty of art to do that. So let me just go through these. These are single-sided, and as you can see, sometimes you're going to get some tags and greetings to cut out, and this is snowy scene, so everything has got lots of snow in it. And what's nice about these little books is, just as you can see, you're getting a lot of art and a lot of variety in the art. And just going. And you might remember that some of these were taken from the first set of 4 Christmas topper kits from Hunkydory that started earlier this year, and very fun to have. I love the little boots with the robins. Horses, sweet owls, kind of matches that first sheet, doesn't it? And Santa, sweet Santa talking to a very tiny owl, and birds and flowers and hats. There we go. And as you can see, so that should be 25 if you were counting. And as I said, you're going to get 6 of each, and this is in the square little book of Winter Wishes.